got the fly. It goes, just goes.
Busy.
He's not actually smart.
Really?
Yeah, Fritz Swivel. I'm working with him. I was telling Jen, he's an amazing guy. He really is.
Who's that?
He's kind of Fritz Swivel. He's kind of eccentric when people start on him.
Fritz Swivel.
Yeah, that's like
Who's his dad?
if it was like a councilman. He's got a walk on. Does all.
Hey!
A lot of framed on.
How old is he?
Maybe 2 years. He's about Jen's age. Do you remember him from school?
Jeremy, what
Are
you
you
doing?
having any fun? You're trying, huh?
What?
His dad died.
Greg, leave that alone.
How they do? They go by. They own that easy peanut round right off 33. I don't know anything more than that. He's got a brother named Tom who does home building. You know what? This is amazing. This guy, London Wobble Bill, has framed
I know, wasn't it dumb? How old are you?
rack everything, set everything by string. Buddy, that sucker's done. Sheeting's up, wrapped it.
I think she's getting more film and people.
Oh, it's video.
Wow, good job. Whoa!
She goes like this, she goes, it's mostly wire arms.
He's ticklish. I'm not tickling you. No, I wasn't tickling.
Where's Brian at?
Smile! Yeah. Are you?
No, I'm on standby. I fooled you.
Brian.
Gotcha. Got you back. Got you last.
I can't see your mouth here. Let's see, where's it at? That camera takes it up.
Peekaboo.
Well, let's film them since that's what we're here for.
Oh, okay.
Ah, now I got you. Ha ha.
Hey, hey. Not fair.
I hear my little noisemaker.
Make me so rock and roll, rock and roll, rock and roll,
You know
rock
what?
and rock
This
and
is
roll,
the picture Paul
rock
and
and
Joey.
roll, rock and roll, rock and roll,
Yeah.
rock and
Heaven
roll.
help us.
Where'd they go?
I think she hit that right on the nail head.
Rock and roll,
Greg's the
rock
practical joker and the comedian.
and roll, rock and roll,
You got this set for outside trip.
Where's Brian at?
He's coming. Is Brian coming, Don?
Rock and roll, rock and roll, rock and roll.
Is Brian coming?
Rock and roll. Go.
Grandkids.
Come on, Brian.
Great grandkids.
The favorite grandkid gets to sit in the middle.
You have to take a picture.
Who might that be?
I don't know. We'll find out, won't we? Just watch Mom. Oh, here we go.
Everybody line up.
Hang on a minute.
Come on, Heather. One more time. Okay.
I'm out of the picture.
Now I guess do all the kids with them, huh?
You might take a picture of me. Rock and roll.
Good job.
What are you doing there out
Okay, Dave, Craig, the big kids now, the whole family, David, the whole happy anniversary. Oh my God, happy anniversary. Come on, y'all.
Anniversary to Bill
Sharon made cake.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, now you gotta open the trunk.
You can sit that on the chair. That's
This
that's on
is the
chair.
child that Dad never knew about.
He's American Indian.
There we go.
Hey,
Oh my God.
Em, Linda,
What?
is that the card?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Gee. Wonder what this is.
Where can you
You want to help?
Probably a drill press.
Yeah, Grandpa.
In your
Well,
dreams.
first we'll look at the card.
Bo's
Okay.
coming up.
No depends in
Boy, this is
Yeah.
great.
Hey, it's a pair of
It's a little early, we know that.
Ooh, look at there, you guys.
Damn, you just stay away from me.
I don't know who this is for. We're just kids.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes. It says
Who cares?
for two very special people.
Who's Emery?
On your anniversary.
Me, Jared, it's your
golden
very special
anniversary.
people.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah, special.
what?
And me and Paul are just special people. We love each other so much.
This is neat.
We just love each other.
Everybody
That
signed
shows
it.
our love.
I'll read it later
Get the shirt
on.
right for kids too. I want to cheer.
Now,
She wants to get down in the
What's the
nitty-gritty.
cake, Mom?
Emily wrapped it.
gee, this is
That's what took us so long to get here. Emily wrapped it.
Oh, really? Oh my God, this is such a surprise. Hey, Bill, you want to help?
Can't say that. No presents. No birthday presents for you.
Well,
Here, one more.
Double whammy.
Cheer him, Grandpa.
What he's
Beat him.
doing. I thought we were going to give him the
No.
He's giving you the funny finger. That's your funny finger. Not your finger.
We need to get
I just love to open up presents.
But why?
Yeah. Well, I guess it's all right if I tear it.
Yeah, you can do that.
You can tear it.
It's all right.
Yeah, have fun.
Hey, Grandpa.
I thought maybe it was from QVC.
Don's got one. You got pocket knife?
Okay.
It's
Now,
water.
let me get this
Oh,
over.
I know.
Don will get it.
Drinking
Don's
water.
got
Get that knife out, Don.
Yeah. He's gone over this 10 times. Doing good.
rehearse.
He's practiced this.
Very good. What can you say? He's Rambo.
No!
What?
Arch!
It's not
Oh my gosh, what is this?
The best is yet to come.
Something I've always wanted, a quilt. I don't have that.
This is a special
This
one.
is a very special quilt.
She doesn't have her glasses on, Chris.
Yeah, you need your glasses.
Well,
We have to show her, Chris.
they're in the house.
Here, can you take over?
Hey, Bill, you want to help open this up here?
Record it and all.
You're in
Not really, I'm
on
holding
too.
the card.
Well, go get her glasses.
Oh, this is not, oh my gosh.
It's a family quilt with everybody's name.
Great.
Each individual person is on here. Okay, here we go.
Well, who did this? Did you have this special made or what?
Bill and Joanne, 1546, Bill and Joanne copy. By Blitz with Love, July 2nd, 1995. And this is compiled with all the kids and grandkids with something that describes each one. Here's Myrtle, there's Poppy Flowers, there's Bird, he's a ship, Calder's a rose, your dad, because he was ornery, is the rhino. Here's Jenny, she's a seahorse, she's into scuba diving. Emily's the whale. Of course, I put Martha
Emily's
in
a
there.
whale. She don't
Emily's
look that
a
big to
whale.
me.
Forecast.
Carol is a seashell. Okay. This is Sarah's a palm tree. I had each one of these monogrammed on here. Mark,
Great.
of course.
Dog shit.
A dog turd.
Jeremy wanted to be a turtle.
It's
Praise
smoldering.
God. Linda,
Linda.
of course.
Right out.
Paul.
Right out.
Buffalo. Caitlin turned
Hey,
out to
when's
be
your mom and dad
snowman.
coming
I
over?
don't know how that happened. My goodness, what
Did you
came
get
over
your
me?
message up here?
Boy, I'll tell you, this is...
Some guy called earlier,
Here's
told
me
you,
as the
don't
haunted
come
house.
down.
Linda and I had
Yeah.
to go. Stephanie's Indian. Heather's a bull because her mother said she's very
Don't show up or
bull-headed
we
or
kill your
something.
dog. So, I can't.
Okay.
He just
Please,
kidding.
Lion. Dan, of course, the baseball.
You gonna get your job over there? Thank
Here's David.
Pallet?
David's an antique car.
Oh, are they?
And Joey's the groundhog, because he's always getting into stuff. Here's
Groundhog Joe.
okay, here we go down here.
Who did this?
Okay.
Or you have it done?
I had
What?
it done.
God,
Here's Kaylin,
neatest thing.
Mary,
You've ever gotten.
and there's Katie. She's the dolphin. And as
Wow.
each new person is married into the family, they get monogrammed onto it. So when Mark marries Heather, he will be put on the quilt. And
Yeah,
go on
when
the-
Mark marries Heather. When?
No pressure.
When?
Gonna be.
No
What's he
pressure.
gonna be? A
It's
semi-truck?
been on here already.
Pressure.
Quit fooling around with
You got
his
the ring, all
daughter.
right?
What?
He wants a bigger patch.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, thank you.
Two patches. Does she come with land?
Really neat.
Negotiate.
Who designed that?
I did.
Yeah, Chris did.
And David supplied the heirloom chest to keep
This
it
is
in.
the heirloom chest to keep it in from Dave.